To work a long tail cast on for the Mystery Cowl Knit-Along, take a tail that's about 60 or 65 inches long and make a slip knot at that 65-inch point. So you cross one end over the other and then you draw up a loop through the loop to create a slip knot, and you're going to put that onto your knitting needle. Hold the knitting needle in your right hand. With your left hand behind the two strands of yarn, you're going to pinch your thumb and pointer finger together and push them through the strands of the two yarns hanging down. Then you're going to open up your index and thumb and then bring the knitting needle down. Once you're in this position, you can then begin the cast on by going up the loop that's on the thumb, wrapping the needle around the yarn that is on the index finger, and then exiting the loop that is on the thumb. Once you have this new stitch on the right hand needle, drop the yarn off of your thumb, put the thumb back into position by swinging it behind the yarn, and repeat. Up the loop on the thumb, down the yarn on the pointer, and then down the loop on the thumb, drop the thumb, and then swing it back into position, gently tightening the yarn at the bottom of the cast on to make it even. This is the basic formula for working a long tail cast on, and as you can see, you can pick up speed once you get comfortable putting that thumb in position. However, if your hand falls off, you can just reset by grabbing the yarn, putting the index finger and thumb through the two strands, and opening them up. This is the long tail cast on. For the Mystery Cowl, you're going to put 65 stitches on your needle, and then you'll be ready to work clue number 1. Happy knitting!